Hi, this is Dr. Ragini from Jata Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Let's know what is the best marker to know if there is any uterine anomaly. So, the latest advancement in ultrasound to look for, even without any invasive procedures like hysteroscopy, to know whether the endometrium cavity is normal, can it bear the pregnancy to the 9 months, is there any delay in the pregnancy, is there any risk of abortions in pregnancy. So, all this can be diagnosed with a 3D ultrasound. What is 3D scan and what is the best time to do the 3D ultrasound? So 3D scan is an excellent transvaginal scan where we can get to see the uterus in a best possible way. That is, how is the serosa, that is the outer lining of the of the uterus, how is the middle layer, how is the endometrial layer. And in this we can also get to see if there are any smallest to the smallest fibroids as well. If these fibroids are coming in between the way of pregnancy can also be detected. That is, by 3D scan we can know if the fibroid is pressing the cavity from any of the sides so that the cavity is compressed. If at all the cavity is compressed, definitely there will be no space for the embryo to grow. Those fibroids are to be removed. So not all fibroids needs removal. These fibroids which is indenting the cavity have to be removed, and that is the best way to know the 3D scan. And next is, what is the best timing to do is during the post ovulatory phase. That is, when there is a proliferative phase and when there is the endometrium is in the maximum thickness, then we can get to know the best way that we can detect. Also, in the peak of endometrial thickness, we could also see if there is any polyps within the triple line pattern. In that also situation, we can say if there is endometrial polyps or endometrial growth, which we can be able to appreciate even in a 3D scan. There is no need for a very invasive or as well as a very complicated MRI. Now easy 3D ultrasound is enough for us to know where do we stand for the next pregnancy to happen. If you have any doubts, do visit us. Thank you.